वीडियो का टाइटल देख के क्लिक किया है तो एकदम सही जगह पे आए हो। अगर सुनना चाहते हो कि क्या आपको एक ब्रेक लेना चाहिए या नहीं, तो स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड बिकॉज I will uncover that for you, and these are the signs that will really help you to understand that whether or not you should take a break. Hi guys, this is Imasha and you're watching Imasha Unfiltered. In this video, we are going to learn about some signs that will surely tell you whether or not you should take a break. But before that, little of the background story of my own. I am making this video after like 2 weeks and I've not been active on any of the social media platforms, and that is when I also realized that I also needed to take some time off. But here I am to make that process easier for you so that you know that you need to take a break and don't get a major burnout like me. So here are some signs that will help you discover whether or not you should take a break. So are you ready? Let's go. So before we begin about the topic, I need to tell you something about breaks. People often associate the idea of taking a break with not so much constructive effort and just think like, okay, it is just a relaxed time. Well, it is a relaxed time, but there is much more to it. Breaks actually help you to revive yourself, to feel refreshed, and also to dig out your creativity to the best level. And you find your lost motivation, because no one can be doing work all the time and then expecting that they will not lack any productivity. Okay, so just don't feel guilty about taking a break. It's okay to stop and pause for a while. My friends, taught me this, that you need to take a break, Imasha, because you're really burning out and working very hard nowadays. So you have to take a break. And keeping all of that in mind, this video is dedicated to all of you who are really very hard workers and also have a 9 to 5 job or a college student. जो भी हो आप, लेकिन आपके लिए भी एक ब्रेक लेना बहुत ज़रूरी बनता है. ये किटकैट का वीडियो नहीं है, बट बढ़ते वीडियो की तरफ और साइंस को अनकवर करते हैं. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट साइन ऑफ यू वांटिंग टू टेक अ ब्रेक, एंड समटाइम्स यू डोंट इवन रियलाइज दैट, so if any of the things that I'm mentioning now are happening with you, then it's a clear-cut sign that you need to take a break, honey. Let's go. Sign number 1, you get angry very easily. You get angry at small things. You get angry at your friends. कहीं का गुस्सा आप कहीं पे निकाल रहे हो, and it is very easy to make you angry, and very little things make you angry. Even if it is a work task that is not that much hard, but it makes you angry. Too much of work makes you angry, and also if there is some mischief your friend is playing with you, that too will make you angry. So you are angry most of the times, and you also don't know within yourself that why is this happening to you, and you are trying to find it out, but it's not possible right now, and you feel like बहुत गुस्सा है मेरे अंदर और मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं उस गुस्से के साथ क्या करूँ, and you end up fighting with a lot of people. So this is the very first sign. Number 2, you are crying a lot in like nights or any time that you really feel like crying a lot, because you have this energy within you which is so negative that it leads you to think that you don't know what you're doing with yourself, and you are like burdened by these responsibilities that leads you to crying and also to release your stress in that manner. But it's not always healthy to cry and really cry very badly. If that is something that is happening with you and you are trying to find out that what is happening with you, then this is the second sign that you need to take some time off for yourself. So if you are one of the people who runs out of dry pillows like we all do, then please consider taking a break to revive yourself. And while crying, you also reflect back to the past memories, to the things that didn't make you feel so good, and also you end up concentrating on all the stuff that went wrong during the day, and that is the reason that you feel so sad within yourself, and those things that didn't bother you that much before are starting to bother you right now, and you just are figuring out that what the hell is wrong with you. Well, it's the clear-cut sign that you need to take a break. Sign number 3, you feel demotivated and tired all the time. You really feel that you want to work on yourself and you want to have that motivation to, sit and work or go to gym or try to eat healthy, but you are lacking all of that. And even if you try, you just end up wasting time on like watching Netflix or YouTube after your work is done. These are the times that you spent on, and you are not able to do any of those things. You want to make a schedule, you want to be organized at your work, but none of that is happening right now, because you also don't know that what the hell is wrong with you. The only thing that is wrong with you is that you're exerting yourself a lot and you're not recognizing that your brain needs a break. It can't work 24 hours during the day, and taking break is very good for yourself, like I mentioned earlier in the video. But also I want to also make a video of how to take a break constructively so that it helps you boost your creativity. And by break, I don't mean that you just watch a Netflix show during the day. That is good, you watch a movie, but also you should do some things that do not involve your phone, and those are the things that will really help you to have a good break. So if you want me to make a video on how to take a break constructively to increase your productivity and also your creativity to the optimum capacity after you're done with your break, then please comment down. Sign number 4, you are self-doubting yourself a lot. You are constantly comparing yourself with others and also self-doubting that are you worthy, are you good enough, क्या मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ, क्या मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अपने लाइफ में, क्या मैं सारी चीज़ें सही कर रही हूँ, क्या मुझे सक्सेस मिलेगी. You know, those kind of questions that are really related to future and you don't know that. So self-doubt is at a point, it's okay, it's good. You are challenging yourself to do better. But when you have excess self-doubt that you literally question of your own method and you be like whether I'm going to succeed, you know, why am I not succeeding? What's wrong with me? And you're just constantly thinking very low about yourself, and that is a self-doubt that is going inside your brain because your brain is literally too tired of working very hard. And also, like I mentioned in my previous videos as well, you can also find in the I button above, your brain will always try to concentrate on the negative things in life or the things that don't make you feel that good and hold you back, but only those who fight those battles within themselves are the ones that make it far. So don't dread on anything that it requires for you to do on your journey that is going to lead you 10 steps ahead. Okay, so this is that video all about. It's not about just a mere taking a break, but it's also about how to be 10 steps ahead in your life. And if at this point as well you're watching this video, then thank you so much. You are literally taking a step towards your life. Okay, so stay tuned to listen to more. Sign number 5, you are eating a lot of junk. Like I mentioned in the 4th sign, that you are not able to build a schedule or anything. The same way you are not able to eat healthy. You're constantly filling yourself with the things that are not doing good to your health. When we are experiencing stress, these food items, why they are so cravey? They are so cravey because they taste good. And their taste makes your taste buds feel good and also your brain feel good, but it does not do anything good to your body. And also the taste buds are only a temporary feeling that is there, and after that you end up feeling the same again. So junk foods can give you short-term pleasures but not long-term pleasures. So you should decide whom you have to run after, whether it should be a short-term pleasure or a long-term pleasure. And believe me, it's not easy to give up all of that junk, because trust me, why I'm making this video, and I'm going to be super honest, because you guys are my audience and I really love you guys for supporting my work. I can tell you that past 2 weeks have really been very tough for me, because I was eating a lot of junk during the entire month of June, because there were so many occasions in the month of June, and that's how I ended up eating junk. And rest of the time I was feeling so negative. So these foods, they don't only impact your physical body but also mental system. And that is the reason that I was also feeling very demotivated, and that is the reason why I'm making this video, to let you know that it's nothing wrong to take a break, and there is nothing wrong to sit back and just reflect on yourself and come back stronger. Sign number 6, you're not able to explain it to anyone that why you're feeling the way you're feeling. Even when your friends ask you, you don't feel like talking to them, you don't feel like expressing yourself. If your friends ask you like what's wrong with you and you know why you're behaving this way, you're not able to explain it to them. Maybe it's the work pressure that's causing that, or maybe it's something that you're constantly thinking about the past and you're not letting it go. It can be anything, but you're not quite sure what's happening with you and you can't even explain it to your friends. That is a telltale sign that you have to rest for a while. And it's okay. And as long as you have really supportive friends, they will always be there for you. No matter how you're feeling, they will still give you your time and space to heal. So hold on to such people as well, because they are really important. And sign number 7, my favorite of all, people keep telling you, God, take a break. Those can be your friends, or even like you watching this video and I'm telling you to take a break. So see, you don't need a bigger sign than this to know that you have to take a break. I do not mean that you get lazy and just leave your work and get a break yourself. I'm just telling that if you're feeling any of these signs that are really causing trouble to you, then is the time to take a break. So recognize the difference between being lazy and taking a break. Okay? Don't be lazy, but know that you can be exhausted mentally, and that's the reason why that you need to take a break. Okay guys, that was a video for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and as always, I would like to tell a big thank you to each one of you to supporting me and supporting my work. Guys, please forward these videos to the people that you know will need it, and help them. We are here to help each one of you. And also, if you haven't checked out me on Instagram or Twitter, please check me out there, and I'm also on Clubhouse. Make sure that you connect with me there as well. Rest, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.